Hello, my name is Frederick Anefi and you are welcome to my Excel today. Today we have a challenge in front of us and we want to look at a data you have exported from QuickBook or any data exported from the financial system. In that when we exported it into Excel, the date format is not in a date. Though we can see it as date here, but it's not in Excel. Excel cannot see it as being in the format of a date. So you can, when you click on any of the cells under the date column, you can see that it's still general. When you look at the date, it's still short date, long date is still the same. This shows that the date is not in the date format. To solve this, we can go to data on the ribbon tab, go to text to column. So we can then select our range, that's the date we are dealing with. Go to text to column, go to next, where we have the date. We just check the date and want the date to be in month, day and year. And note that by default our date is also in month, day and year. Then we click on finish. Okay, so now let's go back and go and see our formatting. So you see automatically we have dates checked in here, so which means now our data is in a form of date. In that when you even click, you can see that where we have the short date, you can see it, and when you have the long date, you can see even the Sunday, June 2nd, 2019. This is how quick and smart you can change your date, which is in text format, into a date format. Thank you very much and continue to follow us on Unity Consult. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.